Well, happy Tuesday, Quad Fam. We are out with the GEPRC Darkstar 16. Now, GEPRC themselves do sort of suggest that this is more of an indoor style drone than an outdoor style drone. So what I figured I would do, let's fly it outdoors on what is an incredibly windy day. Until those gusts come along, you may not necessarily see just how windy it is. But this is wind that is going to challenge any drone, let alone one that's billed as more of an indoor style drone. So, don't know how much flight time we're going to get with it because it is crazy windy where I'm about to fly. But let's cut to some flight footage and then I'll see you in the outro of this initial fly and thoughts, and I'll let you know how I think it went. Let's go! So the GEPRC Darkstar 16. And it's still a really windy day here in the UK, so I figured what we'll do is we'll fly it through this really difficult path of trees, because that just seems to make perfect sense to me. Luckily the rain seems to have stopped. Actually, I think it's just started raining. It's only going to be a very quick initial first impressions. Like I say, the wind is still pretty damning for any sort of small quad, but we're going to see just what we can do with it, just how good it is, and whether or not. Now, the thing to bear in mind is it's more of an indoor quad than an outdoor quad based upon the spec. And obviously I've set the camera so that we can see inside this sort of dark wooded area, so some of these shots might be a little bit overexposed, so you're going to have to just accept my apologies for that. Now I've got to be really careful here because obviously we've got water underneath us, and actually I'm not sure where my out is here. But it's very snappy. Feels very nice. You can hear the wind. We had 50-mile-an-hour winds yesterday, and I don't think it's very far off that today. But it appears to be dealing with it very well. We don't appear to have too many problems. The flight time obviously is going to be much reduced because I'm having to virtually shout over the wind. It's that windy. But for a drone that's pretty much billed as more of an indoor drone than anything else, I can't lie, it's done really well. Quad fam, so that was the initial flight and thoughts of the GEPRC Darkstar 16. It is far too windy to fly most drones on a day like today, so I think all things considered it's handled it really well. We can see sort of the wind whips around these trees. These are the trees it was flying through, and the wind is whipping around them. So for it to do so well, I am super impressed with it. It looks really good. On camera, the only thing is that orange really does show up as 10 times brighter than what it actually is in real life. That's the only thing, but it really does stand out. So if you are looking for a drone that stands out for your spotter, this is a really good one to have. Flight time was virtually exactly 3 minutes flight time, but like I say, it is incredibly windy and most drones and pilots probably wouldn't bother flying on a day like today, but not us. We figured we want to bring you our initial impressions, and here it is. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please do drop them in the comments down below. I'm off to warm up because it's bloody cold out here. Peace out, everybody.